Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide to practical, stylish, and space-saving products that upgrade your home life. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best rose gold towel rack available on the market right now. The iDesign York Metal over-the-door organizer with 3 hooks. Let's begin with the first impression. When you unbox this product, the first thing you'll notice is the elegant rose gold finish. It's not just functional, it's absolutely gorgeous. This isn't your average over-the-door hook. It's designed to look sleek, modern, and upscale. It instantly adds a touch of class and glam to any door, whether it's in your bedroom, bathroom, closet, or even a dorm room. Now, on to installation, which, frankly, could not be easier. There's no hardware, no screws, no drilling. All you need to do is hang it over a standard interior door. It supports door thicknesses up to 1.75 inches. That's it. In seconds, you've upgraded your space with 3 sturdy hooks ready to tackle everyday clutter. But don't let the pretty looks fool you. This rack is built with durable alloy steel and finished with a sturdy metal coating. It may look like a fashion piece, but it's as practical as it is beautiful. Those 3 rounded hooks can easily hold towels, coats, bags, hats, or robes without bending or warping. And because of its smart design, it won't interfere with the door closing. Let's talk versatility for a moment. This isn't just a towel holder. It's a multi-functional storage solution. Use it to hang purses, organize scarves, store reusable shopping bags, or even hang accessories like belts and jewelry. It's the kind of product that works in virtually every room, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, or even in your garage or office. The size is also worth noting. It measures approximately 5.5 inches in depth, 8 inches in width, and 11 inches in height. That compact footprint means it provides vertical storage without taking up floor or closet space. Perfect for small apartments, minimalist setups, or anyone trying to make the most out of tight spaces. And here's another thing we love. It helps you stay organized without adding bulk. When you need to tidy up, just toss your items over a hook. It's visually tidy and saves you time searching for that one missing towel or handbag. Now, while it looks high-end, the price tag is anything but. At just over $13, yes, really, it's one of the most budget-friendly upgrades you can make to your home. Even with international shipping and import fees, it's still a steal for what you're getting. Before we wrap up, let's quickly highlight the iDesign brand itself. They're a well-known name in the home organization space, offering smart, stylish, and accessible solutions that genuinely make your life easier. Their products are often minimal yet functional, and this over-the-door rack is a perfect example of that philosophy. So, to summarize, if you're looking for a stunning, sturdy, and space-saving towel rack that requires zero installation effort and adds elegance to your room, the iDesign York over-the-door hook in rose gold is an absolute winner. It's affordable, versatile, and a must-have for anyone who wants their space to look as good as it functions. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next hands-on review. See you next time.